Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video. We have a Pacific Hurricane Season 2025 video to do here, and we have Hurricane Noria. Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025, 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, advisory number 8. Center location 15.8 north, 107.3 west. Maximum sustained winds of 85. Movement west at 13 miles per hour. Let's go over to it is southwest of Mazoles, Mexico, or 295 miles southwest of it, and it has a millbar pressure of 981, and it's moving at 20 per hour kilometers per hour. Let's go over to the discussion side. This is right now. Is expected to be 85 right now. Is expected to be 100 miles per hour in 12 hours. From 24 hours, 90 to 72 hours from now, it will just be 110 miles per hour. And then 96 hours from now, it'll be a 100 mile per hour storm. And 75 mile per hour, about 120. So, that's the end of the discussion side. We'll head over to Zoom Earth. Which good thing I already have it up. Um, so as you can see, 85 with a millibar, 981. Forecast to be 110, category 2, before weakening down by 25 miles per hour actually. And it doesn't pose any serious threats. So yeah, we'll head over to WeatherWise for the final part. Stay tuned for uh, uh, stay tuned for a live stream on Storm Tracking HQ for severe weather. You're wondering on that part. Anyway, here's the Biscotti models for this system. One of the spaghetti models, Arizona. Also, I'm having it out the and here's the official forecast for the NH Category 2 strength storm. So yeah, that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.